yung may hawak ka ng affidavit dyan, executed by another person, and you're trying to confront me with the statements made in that affidavit, and you're trying to exact an answer from me. Pagka ganon, maghinto tayo dito. That is not proper.
Mr.
That
President.
is not fair.
Kayo ay nagpunta ngayon sapagkat may tiwala na po kayo sa amin. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Sabi kasi ni sir, na ipakontempt ako. So, siya, sir.
Are you done, Congressman Abante?
Yes, Mr. Chair, maraming salamat po.
Okay, maraming salamat din po.
Ikaw yan, sir. Nagsabi na, we will cite him in contempt. Contempt, sir. Priso yan eh.
Mr. Chairman.
The next to interpolate, yes, Congressman Paduano.
The former President